Hello guys, Nigel here with you, Nigel's Modelling Bench. It's that time of year again. It's the first week of November, so everybody's all excited about Telford, Scale Modeller World, whatever you want to call it. And there's lots and lots of people going. There's some people travelling halfway around the world to go. And as usual, there are the big announcements coming from the companies. And this morning I've received an email, and I'm sure some of you have seen the video that Airfix have released, and they've got a couple of very exciting new releases. One of which is the new Sea King, and it's an absolute beauty. Here it is here. I'm sat in front of my computer trying to look at it because I can't memorize it all. If you can hear a funny buzzing in the background, I'm sorry. It's my one of my cooling fans has gone in my computer. I've got a new one on order, so I have to get that swapped over. So yeah, it's basically a revamp of the kit that was released. Was it last year or the year before? If you go back on my channel, you'll see I built one. It was the year before, wasn't it? No, it was last year. It was last year because I had it part built at the Avon show. A lot of you were there, and you enjoyed fondling it and stuff. The Sea King, not me. So yeah, we've got a 11008, and it's a Sea King HC4, and it's a beautiful kit. It's basically got new sprues or new parts, so I'm not exactly sure what's changed. I'm not an expert on the Sea King, but we all knew from what we saw in the sprue layouts of the original version that there were going to be other options coming because it had bits and pieces that you didn't need for that one. So yeah, 4 versions, and you can see them there. We've got the Falklands version there at the top, and then at the bottom we've got Yeovilton, the UN and the Gold 4 versions, looking very, very nice. And you can see there's 3 versions there showing themselves off with their folded up rotors at the top, and we've got the UN version at the bottom looking very pretty. And there she is there. I think it looks lovely, that UN version, in that sort of is it white or is it a very, very light grey? But it does look very nice. So interesting to see. Have they actually? Yes, they've actually put the handrails in these. So remember, those don't come with the kit. They're actual extras, the handrail on the steps. So there's your 4 versions. So we've got Operation Corporate in the Falkland Islands, 1982. And she was based on HMS Fearless. We've got one there from the Fleet Air Arm Royal Navy, King Khalid Military City, Saudi Arabia. So that was for Operation Desert Storm in 1991. And then we've got a UN version here, which is again Fleet Air Arm, and it's from Croatia in 1995. And then finally we have 2013. So this one's based at Yeovilton. And you can see there in the Royal Navy green scheme. So you've got 4 pretty interesting schemes there. No doubt the aftermarket will be all over this like a rash, and there will be a million decal schemes out there for you. So yeah, one really worth looking out for. So that's going to be no doubt on show at Telford. So if you go into Telford this week, then you'll probably see it there. And then for me, the more exciting release is this one. This is a brand new tool. 148 Western Lysander Mark 1 Mark 3. What a beautiful aircraft. It's one of my favourite aircraft on the planet, as those of you who know me will know. You can see the beautiful box right there. The part number is A07116. Both these kits are available for pre-order right now and will be soon at your favourite retailers. So yeah, you can see that one there with the bombs and the exposed wheels. But what a beautiful aircraft to have as a model, especially if it's well detailed, because you've got that huge glass cockpit, so you can have lots and lots of detail to look at, rather than having to sort of look down in the Spitfire cockpit or the Hurricane cockpit, whatever. It's all exposed. It's very much like the Anson. And looking at the photographs they've sent, they've done an absolutely amazing job. I mean, just look here, top left. Look how thin that clear part is, that rear canopy where it's braced, draped back over the fuselage. I can't wait. I would definitely be getting this and building it. Definitely. What a kit. And it's just beautiful. That clear part looks so thin, and you can see there's a pilot figure in there, or a gunner figure as well, which will make a lot of people happy. I won't be using them. I don't like putting figures in my aircraft, basically because I can't paint them. But there we go. And then over to the right there, you can see, looking there, sort of front left on, and you can see the pilot figure there sat in his seat ready to go. and all the lovely detail around the cowling and everything there. Flaps are open by the look of it. And then going down the bottom left hand corner, you can see open wing slats. That's another option in the kit. We've got the canopy open again. That's another option in the kit. And just look at that instrument panel. Bearing in mind this kit being, you know, an Airfix promo, it has to be out of the box build. So there we go. But they're saying that they put the railings on the Sea King, so maybe it's not out of the box build, but certainly that would be a kit cockpit with kit instrument panel and stuff. So absolutely beautiful. And then you can see there a close-up of those little bomb racks on those little winglets. If you remember, last month I did a review of the new book from Wing Leader, which was based on the Lysander. So that'll be a fantastic book to get hold of to go alongside this kit. So you can see there the two models there built up, the two versions in the box. So yeah, we've got the one with the RAF version there. Up at the top, is that? Yeah, no, the RAF version is at the bottom, sorry. And we've got the Polish version up at the top. The RAF version was based in Sarum, 1938-39. And the Polish version was in Glasgow, in Renfrewshire. I've worked up there. So there we go. And there we go. You can see the top one there, Royal Air Force Sarum, Old Sarum, Salisbury, Wiltshire. And then down the bottom there, we've got the Polish Royal Air Force, or the Polish Fighter Reconnaissance Squadron, Royal Air Force, Glasgow, Renfrew, Glasgow, Scotland, 1940. So there we are, a brand new tool and a new release. So that's great. I was expecting a 124th Wildcat, but never mind, maybe next year. So, but really over the moon with that Lysander. Beautiful, beautiful little aircraft. Just think what a beautiful model that would make in 24th with all that lovely detail. Anyway, so there we go. Unfortunately, guys, I won't be at Telford this year. I'm not going to say I'm annoyed, because I'm not. I'm sort of, I don't know what I am, but I was all prepared to go join the IPMS to get the early entry and everything, and then suddenly a family issue has come up. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get there. It's nothing to do with me. I'm going to be absolutely fine. Don't worry about that. So please don't send all your condolences and stuff. But unfortunately, I don't think I may get there for a couple of hours on the Sunday. We'll see, but I very much doubt it. I'll see you all soon. Thank you for watching, and go over to the Airfix stand and say hello to Dale and the team, and go and have a good ogle at these two new kits. Bye for now.